Good afternoon, miners. It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a, well, supposed to be a good morning miners update, but it is the afternoon as of this point. I just arrived home yesterday evening, so I was a little bit tired when I took an extra siesta this morning. Almost got the kids late to school. Almost. But we got it. Alright, so do want to go over a few things, but sorry that it's a little late getting this recorded. I have another video to record for you for Friday, for FPGA Fridays, and then I leave again in 2 days time. So I'll be leaving and I'll be gone for 8 days, so I'm not sure how my streaming schedule is going to go. I know I for sure cannot stream on this upcoming Saturday morning. That will not be a thing because I will be working a job that is not mining related and still tech related, but not mining related, right? So, and I have to pay attention to that job and give it my full attention. So I'll be away for about 8 days. Hope you enjoy the videos that I have pre-recorded for you. Thank you all for, sticking around. It's been a very busy month here in my life, trying to stack as much sats as possible before the halving. So today we are going to go over a video that actually was supposed to come out last week that I was supposed to be and was editing right before I left on my last trip. And I usually clear out all of my unedited videos, or the ones that I, the raw videos, because they usually take up a lot more space. So I usually end up getting rid of those. I save the ones that I've created, but I get rid of the raw ones, right? Well, upon me doing that, I somehow erased the video that I was supposed to be editing and kept the video that I had already edited. So I lost a whole video that you'll never get to see. And it was over my Helium mobile plan. So we have had it for over a full month at this point, but I had a video. I had the cool little screen, which we can show right here. All right, so as you can see, I did actually have this piece of data, which shows you the full process of how exactly I did go ahead and take my claims. And as you can see right here on the screen, kind of goes through the full layout over the last month. Now, of course, at the beginning, I was earning more. I was earning about 1,485 mobile tokens daily, and that started diminishing kind of quickly. Towards the end of things, we're kind of averaging, I think now it's around 800-ish coins on a daily. It is kind of going down, of course, as new users come on. More rewards are being split between different people. Or as you can see right there, 600. That's 805. Yeah, was the last thing. But we did claim that whole month, and that whole month was 33,302 mobile, which was $99 at the time. So we made a full $100 off of the mapping from our Helium device. Now, I did forget to actually prepay ahead of time. I didn't forget. I had a couple awesome people actually signed up for the referrals, and that got me an extra $20 off my plan, or $10 off the plan. It's $5 for every person. So you get $5 off and I get $5 off. We'll talk about that here in a second though. But saving about $10, so I ended up spending $13 and some change for this month's bill of Helium Mobile, which I was okay with paying because I made, of course, $100 last month, and I will not make that amount of tokens this month, which is okay. But nonetheless, I did save most of these tokens. As you can see right here, we're going to go over the real quick process of what it takes to, as you can see, there's the referral code. So if you would like the referral code, you can check that out. And there's actually a special deal right now for referrals, but we went ahead and clicked the prepay, and now we're going to prepay a full month ahead of time, which is only 7,500 mobile tokens. So that way next month's bill is already paid for. So we're paid up this month, and we'll be paid for next month as well. Now, I do want to share something like super duper awesome with you guys, and that is this right here. So for a limited time, promo ends February 6th, so in just tomorrow. I have had one person use this, so out freaking standing to this. If anybody is using my referral code, which the link is down below, up until tomorrow, you will get $30 off your bill, which is more than your bill. So you will get a little under 1.5 months of your bill for free just using my promo code. So that's pretty cool. I've had one person use this, and it's just because they used my referral code. The code is not different, so they ended up using the code. It just happened to be the right time. I've been gone since they released this, or I was gone a little bit after they released this, but they started this, and I got the notification 5 days ago. So yeah, here we are. You can get $30 off your bill just using the code. That's it. Pretty freaking outstanding. So for a full month and a half, you can just earn your mobile tokens by turning on discovery mapping. Now, we can dive even further into this now, because it's been a little bit, and our Helium 5G mobile hotspot that is indoors is actually doing pretty well. It was doing very well here, and we started dropping off and kind of staying in the 600s. Now, this is actually while I was gone. I was not here during this whole time, and our rewards do get kind of increased when I am home and I am using data from this phone. This phone automatically connects to that 5G's hotspot and acts as its Wi-Fi, which is piggybacked off of my internet, so I'm still using my same internet. But yeah, I was gone for a few days, which you can see right here. It's like when I left, I was gone. You know, there was 0 mobile data packets being sent through because I was not here. When I was here, some days were higher than others. Me testing out playing Steam Deck using my hotspot through this, so I was downloading a game which used up more data. So increased rewards that day, right? Catch the drift. I was gone, and I was still earning some mobile tokens, and then yesterday, and then here is today, right? Or last night and then today, yeah. Which is actually really cool that we kind of get to see the breakdown of how it's been. Even though I wasn't here, I was still making earnings, right? But when I am here, my earnings are increased. So for a few days, I will have increased earnings, and then back down to normal base earnings. So this month will be kind of a weird month, but we are still getting mobile tokens from the 5G indoor hotspot from Helium. Yeah, you can pick this up on their website. Like, just go to Helium, hellohelium.com, go to hotspots, and you can go to indoor. My next plan is to get an outdoor hotspot. That is the next thing on my list. Yeah, so that is that. Today's video, short, simple, to the point. Hope you all had a fantastic week. I've missed you all. Thanks for joining in on last Saturday's live stream, even though the quality actually was not that great on my phone because the Wi-Fi was way too far away and we were being diminished because of shipping containers. But I found a way around that. I didn't find out until later that evening that my Lenovo laptop can actually produce a hotspot signal. Did not know it did that. I was just kind of looking through the settings, and it's a thing. I run Linux on that laptop, so it's actually more like a Linux situation than the Lenovo situation. but I was able to produce that because I was hardwired into the internet there, and that evening I had way better service and the quality was much better. So things we know for next time, we will fix that. And sorry, and thank you all who came and hung out anyway. Remember, you can use the Helium code down below, save yourself $30 off this month. After that, it is $5 as well. There is a coupon code until Valentine's Day for the Osprey E300s. You can actually save $400 off an E300 VU33P, which is a huge discount, one of the biggest discounts I've seen so far through them. So maybe get your loved one an FPGA for Valentine's Day. You're all out for standing. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Much love. Peace out. Remember, stay savage. Keep on mining.